whenever someone is consistent for 10 days, he should receive 1000 chips, and similar for 30 days and 1 year. So this is another cool automation I've created for you guys. So here we are listing the persons from Pipedrive, and we're getting the data of like last login date, and if the last login date equals to the current date, that means he's logging today. And for that we will add one increment in the consistent days custom field that is created in the Pipedrive, and it will keep it updating till the last login date is today. And based on that, it will, if it is not equal to that, it will make it to 0. So consistent days will be adding, and based on that, in another automation I added the filter. If the consistent days from the Pipedrive equals to 10, it should send the person 1000 chips and send a mail as well, congratulations mail. So for this 30 days and 1 year. So hope you like this automation. If you have any questions, please leave your comments or contact me on my WhatsApp number or my mail. Thank you.